In the heart of the green jungle, excitement filled the air. Monkeys were busy cleaning the venue for the wedding of the young lion prince. They swept the ground, hung garlands of jasmine and marigolds, and polished every golden chair. Peacocks danced joyfully, spreading their colorful feathers like living rainbows. Cuckoos sang melodious wedding tunes, while gentle swans fluttered about, decorating the place with lotus petals. Everyone in the jungle was preparing for the most royal celebration ever, the marriage of their beloved young lion prince. Far from the grand venue, under a large banyan tree, 3 little rabbits and 2 deer were tied with ropes. Their eyes were full of sorrow. They had been caught by the wolves, who guarded them fiercely so that they could not attend the lion prince's wedding. The forest around them was silent, only broken by their soft cries. Just then, a group of white swans glided down from the river nearby. Seeing the animals in distress, they said softly, "Don't worry, dear friends. We will not let you miss this joyous day. Kindness always finds a way." The deer and rabbits looked up with hope in their eyes, while the wolves growled nearby. But the swans spread their wings protectively and promised to help. "The lion prince believes in justice," said one swan, "and he shall hear your story." Meanwhile, at the decorated royal venue, the swans approached the young lion prince. He was being groomed with golden ornaments and fresh flower garlands. The swans gently spoke to him. "O noble prince, while your jungle rejoices, a few of your subjects suffer. 3 rabbits and 2 deer are bound in sorrow, far from here. True kings not only rule, they heal and free." The lion prince listened carefully, his eyes filled with compassion. "Thank you, my wise friends," he said softly. "A wedding without freedom and kindness means nothing." At once, he sent his guards to release the captured animals. As the moon rose high, a grand feast was laid out on golden leaves. There were plates full of carrots, beetroots, fresh cabbage salads, juicy fruits, and pots of golden honey. Everyone, from tiny squirrels to tall giraffes, sat together and feasted happily. Even the wolves, who had realized their mistake, were forgiven and shared the meal. When the celebration ended, the jungle sparkled under the moonlight. The young lion prince and his beautiful bride sat beneath the sacred tree, surrounded by their friends. Soft winds carried the scent of flowers, and the night echoed with peaceful laughter. From that day on, the jungle learned one precious truth. Kindness is the crown that makes every heart royal. Hope you all enjoyed the story. For many more stories, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.